few winters ago, my granddaughter and I were trapped during a brutal blackout. No power, no heat, just silence and cold. That's when I realized we were completely dependent on a fragile grid. After the storm, I searched for a solution and found something incredible. Hidden in my late father's attic was a set of handwritten blueprints created by my great-grandfather who once worked with Thomas Edison. They detailed a device lost in a mysterious lab fire, a generator that could produce electricity from a hidden source, without solar, wind, or batteries. I rebuilt it using modern parts, upgraded it, tested it, and when I flipped the switch, it worked. Today, that generator powers my home. It slashed my bills by 90% and gave me true energy freedom. I call it the Edison Generator. And now, thousands are building their own. No more blackouts, no more high bills. Just clean, off-grid energy. Anytime, anywhere. Want to build your own? Click the link in bio and download the blueprints before they're gone.